bullish Chiliz, CHZ. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.523310 and $0.988475 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach $0.407019 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.093033. Chiliz, CHZ. Presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and president of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz, CHZ. Crucial investigation. Chiliz is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally considers quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility 4 of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Also, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Chiliz is at present worth $0.116291 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 0.90% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $46,032,545. Chiliz is at present position 60 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $828,238,525 United States dollars. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Chiliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. CHZ. The CHZ cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.174428. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.162799 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHC is supposed to have a base worth of $0.139542. Chiliz CHC Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Chiliz CHC Cost Expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHC will before long outperform $0.290713. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHC's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.232570 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.255827. Chiliz CHC Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.406998 and CHC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.372112 and a low of $0.348855 in 2025. Chiliz CHC Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the CHC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHC will be green in 2026. The CHC is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.523283 with a base cost of $0.465141 and a typical cost of $0.488398. Chiliz CHC Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.604683 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.581426 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHC has a greatest value worth of $0.639568. Chiliz CHC Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.720968. In the event that CHC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.755854. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHC needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.697711. Chiliz CHC Value Forecast 2029. While CHC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.813996.